This is the video introduction to Experiment 16, Build an Electronic Motorcycle Circuit in the Mr. Circuit Basic Electronics Lab 1. This circuit puts out a sound from the speaker that sounds like a two-cycle motorcycle engine. You can accelerate or slow down using the potentiometer. Here is the schematic of the circuit. As you can see, it's a typical two-transistor oscillator with an NPN and PNP transistor. The 10 microfarad capacitor's charging time controls the on-off cycles of the two transistors. In turn, the charging time is regulated by the potentiometer. The 3.3K resistor controls the maximum speed of the oscillator. Here are the suggested steps to build this circuit on your solderless circuit board. Step 1. Lay out all the parts to build the circuit. Make sure you have them all. Step 2. Install the battery snap, the potentiometer, and the 10 ohm resistor. Step 3. Install the NPN and PNP transistors and also the speaker. Step 4. Install the capacitor. Watch the polarity. Step 5. Install the 3.3K resistor. Step 6. Install the two jumper wires on the lower section of the circuit board. Step 7. Install the third jumper wire from the upper section to the lower section. With that last step, you have completed the assembly of the circuit. Review it carefully to be sure the wiring is correct. Then attach the battery, and you can control the speed of your motorcycle with the potentiometer. Now I will demonstrate the electronic motorcycle circuit in action. Here's experiment 16 all wired up neatly. You've got the two transistors, the NPN, the PNP, got your capacitor, two resistors, potentiometer, and your speaker, and a battery. This is all wired up and it'll sound like a two-cycle motorcycle. So let's turn it on. Hear it? Boy, that's roaring down the road. And then we're going to slow down. All right, it's your turn. Get your parts wired up. See if you can make it work like I did.